वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
But we felt that not in a traditional way, just partying doesn't make sense. So we felt we need to do something where our alignment is towards the community. So that's how this initiative was thought out. And this is initiative which is very simple. Special crawl. The meaning of special crawl is these children are also crawling like any other children when they grow up. But their crawl needs to be identified as something special. Okay. Actually, they have something special in them. It's their intelligence. Some of them are super intelligent. You will be amazed, like 10 times faster. In fact, some movies like Tare Zameen, that Amir Khan movie was one of the kind of kids were displayed in that. But there are many such. It's a big spectrum. Okay.
I can relate to this to some extent, not fully. I remember when my daughter was in school and during PTA meeting, teacher used to praise the Lord for, but one praise which I got from one teacher was, since there was compulsory special kids should be there in the school, one ma'am said, your daughter always takes care of that special child, she always helps. And see, today, she is a would-be psychiatrist. We never knew that. And when she chose psychiatry, I will frankly say my husband in fact was against her. He doesn't want her to be that. But I was like, whatever she likes, we should support her. And we were little relaxed. Psychiatry लिया है तो उसकी life easy हो गई. उसके पास कुछ tension नहीं होगा. But believe me, she is doing MD. 1.5 years is done and 1.5 years remaining. That girl is so very tired. Means we are shocked, not even surprised. We are shocked to hear emergency है, ये है, full night में जाग रही थी. How is it possible? Now क्या psychiatry? And there are so many hospitals and all. Still you have full night duty. So we were not aware of it. We were thinking psychiatry है तो she will be relaxed. But even psychiatric department is so very full of patients and emergency. So we all need to know so much about it. Thank you.
दादी बैठी हुई थी. I just saw the change of behavior. She didn't treat her as a granddaughter at all. She calmed down immediately, got a bit scared of her, and she started behaving a little, more maturely. I wanted to share this. She took care of all during that. Yes. So it's amazing. She has so much maturity for her age, and believe me, she's a single child. But all credit goes to Bhavika. The way she has brought her up. It's not easy for a girl who is a single child living all the dads well. She's in municipal hospitals doing non-stop work for 3 years. Where the toilets are not, you can't even enter them. I think hats off to this mother who has made this happen.
But I think this initiative is required for the grown-ups as well.
I'll come to that point. Perfect. I'll come to that.
Yeah.
A lot of medicines which can cure such things, such illness. So instead of giving allopathy medicines, we can definitely collaborate with Ayurveda, because even I follow Ayurveda since lot of time. So that is my suggestion. Ayurveda is a good option.
Because एक बच्चा मस्ती करता है, so I have 2 kids. They are super masti, and I have a 0 degrees husband. So I was the Markuti mother. So in that case, what happens is I need to share something very important. These children are immediately started on drugs. That is what we are trying to avoid. So non-invasive, non-drug therapy is one of our goals with this foundation. They will put them on depressant. There are many children, out of these 50% of children in US are on drugs. So that their anxiety is reduced. So instead, I would say whoever has such children or around friends, please put them in sports. Put them in any game at least 2 to 3 times a week. You should propagate such young mothers, and I'm glad with all the no and all, she hit the right point. Is that these children.
So the website is basically specialcrawl.in. Okay. So we are working with an IT company and we will set it up. So this actually will be more, it will be a website, but it will also get into an app, because today everybody is comfortable not to go on a computer, open your laptop and then log in. Everybody wants to, get the access instantly on the phone. So that's why we will have a interface through the mobile also. So it will take time, but we will construct, and hopefully before Diwali we should have it up and running is our plan. There basically Lord Krishna temple is there.
Of Karnataka.
This is what we are enjoying is good temple food. Okay, please enjoy with all your heart's content. और जो भी चीज़ मांग के लो प्लीज. अरे सबको दबा के खिलाना.